BJP State Amai Phupen Difu LA Haraugat LA Lapen Paithalangso LA constituency along Parista Pramukh Alok Keron Difu rong supi ke pethai ang jia phan IPDS Yona ke pangcheng rihing ame kachathor arara phan birta kimi Army Red Horse Division pen Amarajan along kijun alang Amarsai kipi Kardom ada berta long beneli berta than bang thare harmony be non bertang don pen arjit tha Lok Sabha ke le kate bok lang dampen BJP State Amai Phu lapen konchun bang atum chiti ingko ra troxy arni Karbiang long nang palese Parista Pramukh Alok kipi pangcheng BJP Assam Pradesh Amai Phu Ranjit Kumar Das lapen Ari Sanghotum Difu LA constituency Haroghat lapen Baithalangso LA constituency along Parista Pramukh Alok Ronsi Lok Sabha mate MP kilik aphan kachithik mek asai dengpon Parista Pramukh Alok Keron Difu Town Mondon pen Pangcheng si Haroghat LA lapen Baithalangso LA constituency along Pajudam Parista Pramukh Alok Keron Amai along Karbiang long Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rohang pen Cheng lok pen an EM MAC lapen Song along Karjap Asong Jatum Chitong Dun
क्योंकि आमारो इधर कार्यालय लोग दिमासा जितने भी आमी बहुत लोग ना आमी हमला कुरिया इसे बुलाना से बहुत ही ये आंदोलन इधर भागर हमदिना ये हमदिना आर्टिकल 248 भारतीय जनता पार्टी नरेंद्र मोदी दावरा निश्चित अमित शाह दावरा निश्चित पुलिस शर्मा दावरा निश्चित अमित शाह दावरा निश्चित ये समस्या समाधान होगा बोली मैं आशा में दिया राज्य कार्यालय ये आशा
Difu rong supi Amekar aphan Paplut Pepin pen rihing ame mate current ki PVRG aphan Difu subdivision rihing ame asai campaign Integrate Power Development Scheme Thihek pen IPDS Yojana pangcheng pon tanglo Difu subdivision rihing ame asai campaign Difu rong supi Amekar aphan Paplut Pepin pen rihing ame mate current ki PVRG aphan isitowa rang pon tanglo kuti ke thomra lak troxy kebra pho atangka ke panong pen 11 kV aja kong chiklo jon krep pho ambong ke salam ke patang ji aphan ta apor hotpon Difu rong supi along rihing ame kepa doerji aphan IPDS Yojana kepangcheng alang arpuge do asai phuatum phenang ke aphan than pachini laso war saimati Yojana patang theklote Difu rong supi along ke do suri trok amekar ale long pupota rihing ame asai kamasai phuatum aning chepathe Army Red Horse Division pen Bokajan subdivision ke parlo Amarajan along Rana phan kijun alang awarsai Kipi pusi lada karnus dalang bertanang pale Operation Sadbhavana Award Saipen Army Red Horns Atum Bokajan subdivision ke parlo Amarajan along Ringwell lapen water pump pangnisi Rong arara phan kijun alang award sai pajir Lang kipi ki pangcheng amay along Rong asar thepen chenglok pen an kethe geding abang phubang phetum chetong dun renti Memang support han bertamu tanpa niksina
J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435 925 116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbianglong Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Come one, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India.
Jihina Mupi Potat Bertalong Wangtulu. Karbi Lo Charlie Asong, Salawar Jaipong Aro Amai Pen, Jaipong Raikom School Patua Klabalong, Ninkan Esek Amai Padopusi, Ladak Pirtanangle. Karbi Lo Charlie Asong Aro Pen, Kapado Amai Along, Salawar Jaipong Ahwar Kijun Alang, Kaduri, Rat Kisun, Block Haihui Kabi Aputak, Kaching by Aklong Palidam. Karbi Lo Charlie Asong Amai Pu, Francis Inti, Chipahempu Pen, Kapado Amai Along, Karbi Lo Charlie Asong Amai, Simeon Rongpa, Bidisa, Laichen England, EM Parim, Ruby Kumar Pangchu Lapen, Pen An Kitikading, Abang Kubang Ketum, Chitong Dun. West Karbi Anglong Kolonga Patuak Lamalong Chiti Kithomar Dipen Kepang Cheng Inkorap Ho Angdeng All Karbi Anglong Intersub Association Supinso Football Championship Kachapate Chiti Inkoranar Kep Arni Angdung Kiti Patupon Tanglo Dongkamukam Sport Association Pen Kepato Lasso Kachapate Langhi Natum Dongkamukam Sport Association Apan Ball Pumpo Tapsi Angdung Kiti Anowi Parisim Kihaya Terang Pan Suri Inkoi Lapen Kerema Terang Apan Suri Kep Lapen Nong E Alhiri Deng Pensi Pajir CM Tuliram Rohang MEC EM Lapan Keti Geding Abang Kubang Piatum Angdung Kiti Kecepate Langdun Ada berda bang lapan sikang ton poneglo, dumit hang me kurang tu.